Hey, it's David Chinelli here, realtor with Boiler Page Signature. Today's home tip revolves around your curtains and blinds. It's springtime, it's getting close to summer. And whether you're living in your home and just always want to feel energized or just feel bright and ready to attack the morning, or if you're looking to sell, both work the same way. You want to have your home nice and bright during the day. So what you need to do is open up your blinds and your windows. We have a client of ours, he didn't realize how bright his home was until he went and removed all the excess amount of curtains he didn't need. So he removed the curtains and just kept the blinds. And when he lifted up, he's like, oh my God, my house looks bigger. It looks more inviting. It's just more comfortable to be in. Yeah, so you don't have to wait to sell your home to get that feeling, especially in the summertime. I get it. I know at night you need some blackout blinds. I totally get that. But main areas of your home, if you don't necessarily need that extra blinds and curtains, it could actually bring down the feeling of your home. So instead, remove them. Have a nice, bright, open space and let it be inviting for other people to come in, whether again you're selling or just living in the home. Have a great day. Bye for now.